How to finding the prime numbers from 1 to 100 in easiest way. We know that many students feel difficult to finding the prime numbers in easiest way. Now I am going to explain how to find the easiest way. Look at, first of all I am going to explain the definition of prime numbers. A number having two factors, that is 1 and itself, is called as prime number. So here observe that in this definition having two conditions. First condition is having two factors and the second condition is 1 and itself. Any natural number satisfied these two conditions, it is called a prime number, otherwise not. So what is the first condition? Having two factors. And second condition, that is the two factors between the two factors 1 and itself. Now see, first natural number is 1. Now I am going to write the factors of 1 into 1. And the next natural number is 2. I am going to take the factors of 1 into 2. I am going to take 3 factors of 1 into 3. Like that, I am going to take 4 factors of 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. Now first of all look at that, 1 into 1. First one. This is 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Now see here, 1 is equal to 1 into 1. So what is that conditions? Having two factors. It is the first condition. It is the second condition. So the first condition having two factors and the second condition 1 and itself. Now check it. First natural number is 1. It is not having two factors. It having only one factor. It means it is similar factors 1 and 1. It means it is one factor. So it is not satisfying the first condition. So this is not a prime number. Why? Because it having 1 and itself. We know that among these two factors it is 1 and another is itself. But it is not satisfying first condition. So it is not a prime number. When you come to second one, here having two factors, look at that both are different factors, must be 1 and 2. So here they are different factors. And second condition is 1 and itself. So look at there, it is 1 and it is itself. So this 2 is satisfied, these two conditions. So 2 is a prime number. Now come to 3. Here 3 also satisfying the first condition, that is having two factors 1 and itself. 1 and itself. It means first condition satisfied. Now what is the second condition? 1 and itself. It is 1 and itself. Second condition also satisfied. So this 3 is also called prime number. Now come to 4. In this 4, I am going to turn the factors first. 1 into 4, 2 into 2. Now look at total all. How many factors are there? 3 factors. What are that? 1, 2, 4. It is 3 factors. 1, 2, 4. So what is given in condition? Having 2 factors only. But here having 3 factors. So first condition is not satisfied. So if it is not satisfied the first condition, we said it is not a prime. Like that transform, we are going to finding the remaining number. It is very difficult to finding like this method. so it is time taken method. So I'm going to explain very easiest way by counting method. Now see, first of all you can write all the numbers from 1 to 100, write in a table, but I'm going to take here only odd numbers because I mentioned here clearly, we know that in a primes, two only even prime numbers, remaining all are odd numbers. That's why I'm going to taking all are odd numbers only, because except 2 is a even prime. But I'm not here I'm not taking 1 because 1 not a prime number. That's why I'm not taking here. In the place I'm going to turn 2. Now 2 is a prime number na? That's why round off the 2. And we know that already I said 3 is also prime number. It is second prime number. So round off the 3. And now from here to using the counting method to finding the prime numbers. Now see, look at 3 after you can count by counting method. Count, it is 3 na, that's why count 1 2 3. So 9 is coming in 3 table, so it is not a prime number, so cancel it. And then next 1 2 3, so 15 is a prime number, it is not a prime number, it is coming in 3 table, it is a multiple of 3, so cancel it. Again count by counting 1 2 3, so 21 is not prime number. Again 1 2 3, 27 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 33 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 39 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 45 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 51 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 57 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 63 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 69 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 75 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 81 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 87 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 93 is not prime number. 1 2 3, 91 9 is not prime number, and so on. So 3 is completed from 1 to 100. Now next 5, round off next number 5. Now count is 5. 5 is a prime, next prime number. Now count 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 15 already gone, so it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5, it is not prime number. So if one's place having 5, it is not a prime number. That's why all are going cancel. Look at, all are going cancellation. All are going, look at there. These are all cancellation. It means any number having one's place 5, it is not a prime number. Now after complete 5, look at what is the number, that is 7, the round of the 7. Now count from 7 7. Now 7 na digit, so count 7 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 21. It is coming in 7 table, so it's already gone. Next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so 35 already gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it is also not prime number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is already gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is not a prime number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, it is not a prime number. 1 2 3 4 and so on. So 7 multiples are completed. Now look at in first row two one digit numbers 2 3 5 7. After it is gone, and next is 11. So circle the 11. Now count 11 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Already gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Already gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Already gone. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Already gone. Completed. And now come to 13. So like that you are going to counting. So now we are going to finding the prime numbers 1 to 100. That's why I'm going to taking only 11 numbers only. Why? Because we know that what is the 11 square. With the 11 square, na? What is the 11 square? We know that 11 square is equal to 11 into 11. It means 121. It is more than 100. That's why we count only 11 enough. And remaining all are, we got remaining all are primes. Look at only 1 2 3 5. If you taking only one digit number 7 only, you'll get a prime numbers. So 9, last one digit number is 9. 9 is 81. 9 is 81. If you take 9 after 11 number, count 11 11 is 121. So it is more than. So you better to count 3 5 7. You'll get a prime number. Look at 2 3 5 7 11 13 and 17 is a prime number. 19 is a prime number. 23 is prime number. 29 is also prime number. 31 is prime number. 37 is prime number. 41 is prime number. 43 is prime number. 47 is prime number. 53 is prime number. 57 is prime number. 61 is prime number. 67 is also prime number. 71 prime number. 73 prime number. 79 prime number. 83 prime number. 89 prime number. 87 prime number. See, this is very easiest way to find the prime numbers. Just you count 3 5 7 11 only 4 digit. Only just you can take 4 digit 3 5 7 and last 11. Why? Because 11 is first 2 digit number na, in this here. So 1 2 3 4. If you taking 3 5 7 also, you'll get a number. So very easiest way. So thank you for watching my channel.